well, I'm gonna do the strawberry. That was really good.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, this is the birthday cake. They're really impressive because they're really dynamic and having crunch and all kinds of different balances in addition to the cream. I had to put my glasses on to inspect this decadent dessert. It is definitely quite something. Let's take a look at that. Churros, birthday cake ice cream. Time for me to dig in. I mean, this is actually probably the best birthday cake I've never had. I'd have to tell parents this is such a great, excellent treat if you have, especially just one child or two. The going rate for this is kind of pricey for some, about $12. So, but anyway, it's amazing and it's a great gift for someone.